Check the custom tray in the patient mouth and adjust any overextended areas. Soften one end of the green stick compound slowly over alcohol torch. Place the compound along the interior border of the dry tray from the buccal frenum area of one side to the buccal frenum area of the opposite side. Flame the compound with a Hanau torch. Temper the compound by placing it briefly in a 140° Fahrenheit water bath. Reflect the cheek with a mouth mirror and rotate the tray into the patient's mouth. Seat the tray in the patient's mouth. The upper lip is gently manipulated outward, downward, and inward. When set, remove the tray. Repeat the procedure. The compound should be rounded with no void, be symmetrical in shape, and should not be glossy. If voids are present or compound is glossy, add more compound, flame, temper, and repeat the procedure. Add compound to the right side of the tray from the previously molded area to the pterygomaxillary notch. Shape the compound with wet finger, flame, and temper it. Reflect the cheek with a mouth mirror and seat the tray. Grasp the cheek at the corner of the mouth and draw outward, downward, and inward. Also, manipulate the tissues forward and backward over the buccal frenum area. Remove the tray, reheat the compound, and repeat the process a second time. Repeat the same steps on the left side. Now, add green stick compound to the tissue surface of the posterior border of the final impression tray. The compound should be approximately 4 mm wide and 2 mm thick. Flame, temper, and seat in the patient's mouth. Be sure the compound is soft in the areas of the pterygomaxillary notch and palate. Upon completion of the posterior border, the tray should exhibit good retention and stability. Note, if the border molded final impression does not exhibit stability and retention at this time, the complete denture will not be stable or retentive. You must determine the cause and make correction before proceeding to the next step. Remove excess compound on the labial and buccal areas to avoid excess bulk, which will disturb the shape of the vestibule. Dry the tray If rubber-based impression material is to be used, paint the tissue surface and the borders of the tray with an adhesive.